Hey guys, Krystal here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and talk about what I carry with me on an everyday basis slash what's in my bag minimal version. Now, I don't know if you would consider this to actually be a what's in my bag because I don't carry a bag on a day-to-day basis, but I was requested to go ahead and do an updated what's in my bag. So I'm going to show you what it is that I carry with me on a day-to-day basis when I'm running errands, when I'm going grocery shopping, if I'm going to Walgreens, like anything like that, if I'm dropping off my boys from school, if I'm picking my boys up from school, this is what I carry with me all the time, and I don't really need to carry a bag. Now, this is going to be part one of a 3-part series because I do carry a bag when I have my boys, when we're going to the doctor. Sometimes we even have to go to the hospital, or if we're going to be somewhere for a long period of time, I do carry a backpack. And I will go ahead and show you. It will be a mommy version of what's in my bag. And also, if I'm going to be somewhere by myself for a few hours, I do have a backpack that I do carry for that as well. So today is going to be the minimal version slash what I carry with me on an everyday basis. And then in the future, we'll have 2 other videos of a mommy bag and also what I carry with me when I'm traveling for a long period of time, such as like an appointment, or if I'm getting work done on my car or something like that. So let's go ahead and just get started with this video. I do really quick want to mention that I did just film this makeup look using products that I only carry in my little minimal makeup tin. So if you do like minimal videos, go ahead and check out this one. I show you guys what I carry in this little makeup tin and I apply everything on my face. So as you can see, I look good. Not to be conceited or anything like that, though. I'm just saying. If you do want to check out that video, please go ahead and check it out. It will definitely be there. It should already be up before this one. So let's go ahead and get started. I really do like this sweater. It's super comfy and I'm kind of like batch filming, so I'm not going to change my shirt. Okay, so starting off, I want to go ahead and automatically just tell you guys really quick the simple things that I do carry with me. So we will go ahead and start with the random loose things. The first one being my phone. My phone is usually always in my pocket, or if I'm wearing leggings, I kind of tuck it in on the side like that. And then of course my shirt goes over it. So that's usually what I do. So there you go. As you can see, I do just tuck my phone in right here. It's very easy. I do face it outward so that my lonja is not touching this at all whatsoever. So I do carry it right there. On this other side, I carry my blade if it's not in my back pocket over here. So about this blade, I carry this for many different reasons. The first one being that it does have like this little like thing right there at the tip, and basically what it does is that it breaks your window. If you were to get in a car accident and you can't get out of your door, you can break the window. If for some reason you run and like you drive into a lake or an ocean or some, not even an ocean because there's like sand, but if you run into a lake, hashtag Michael Scott, you can definitely use this to break your window. I normally do carry like an asp or a nightstick or a baton, whatever you want to call it, inside of my car, but let's just say I wasn't in my car for this particular moment. This right here would come in handy. Now obviously it's a fucking blade, so I carry this because, dude, obviously for protection. If you're gonna fight, there you go. Or let's just say the one reason why I can always carry this in the top of my fucking head is because when I'm going to pick up and drop off thing 1 and thing 2 at school, there's always loose dogs and you just never know if one of them just is fucking psycho. I will literally stab a dog in its fucking head or its throat if it comes and tries to bite my child. So that's why I carry this. And also there has been a time where my little alarm thingy, when the battery is dying, it doesn't let me unlock my car, but it will lock my car, so I can't get in. And if I were to just use the key to open it, the alarm goes off. So I just use this to open it. So the knife really does come in handy for multiple reasons other than protection. So I normally do keep it in my back right pocket because I'm right-handed, so I can grab it easily. My phone is in the left back pocket, whatever, because, you know, whatever, I'm not left-handed. And that being said, if it's not there, it's tucked into my leggings like I just showed you. Moving on, I'm going to show you guys the main thing that I carry with me. This is what I carry with me all the fucking time. As you can see, it's on a master lock hook. So I usually put this on my jeans, like right here. My friends do make, or one of my friends, my best friend makes fun of me. She says I look like a granny when I do it, but I really don't care. And if I'm just wearing leggings, I just kind of like clip it on like that, and I'm good. That's the sound I make when I walk. Let me go ahead and just show you really quick. So obviously, I'm just gonna take these off one by one. The main thing that I have is my wallet. Now this one here is from Coach. I had the Yves Laurent one that I fucking loved so much, but the little YSL popped off, like it broke and left like an ugly like mark right here. Unfortunately, there's not a store near me, and I did go into one of the fancier malls here, and I tried to find another one that was like it. I could not find it. I actually went into Coach, and I was surprised that I found it, and it wasn't, no one's saying that Coach is not expensive, but it just wasn't that expensive, you know what I mean? So, and then I also got it for a good price because there was a sale going on, so I got it. It has the cards here on the back, just like the Yves Laurent one. There's a pocket here, and there's also a little zipper. Now it does not come with the chain. They do have one that comes with the chain, however it's smaller, so it's probably like this instead of like this big. It's a little bit smaller, and it does not have all these cards here in the back, so I didn't get it. I ended up putting this chain in here, looping it through that little tag that comes in here. So that's what I ended up doing, and it works. It works really nice. So I do like it. I like having the chain so that I am able to carry it with me at all times. So yeah, that is what I did so that I can carry it with me at all times. I do like this particular chain. It's a very thick chain, and it's also gold, so it does match. I've had a wallet before that had a cheaper chain, and it did break on me. Luckily I felt it and I saw it fall because, girl, this is your wallet. So yeah, anyways, inside of the zipper I do carry dinero, money. And then I have like a couple important like papers in here that I didn't want to have on the outside, and I do carry change. I carry change because I do use cash sometimes, and I am that girl that's like, hold on, I got the 12 cents. In this little pocket here, I have gift cards. I also have receipts because you never know if you're gonna need to exchange something. The other day I went to the Disney store and I bought the Mickey Mouse journal, and when I opened it, the entire binding of it was fucked. So luckily I had the receipt so that I can exchange it out. I also do have business cards. One of the business cards that I have in here is where I get my tattoos done. I get asked all the fucking time. A piercing, like little rewards thingy, again, gift cards. And then I also have these HEB Buddy Bucks that I do need to go and get my boys prizes already, because not only is it taking up room, but I mean, I have a lot. So here I have all of my cards. The first slot, I do carry all of the cards that I use, which are like, you know, my credit cards and stuff like that. The second one here are my backup cards, as well as Wes's ID, just in case something happens, like this is what he looks like, this is how tall he is, and everything like that. Then I have my boys' insurance cards, and then I have my insurance card and my ID. So that is what I carry in here. I like it. It's very slim, and honestly, it's new, so it's definitely stuffed, but the stitching, the glue right here, it's so fucking good. Like it's well made. It honestly surprised me. I don't know why, but I'm just like, I don't really think highly of Coach, but this is like a really good product. It's pebble leather, so it will stretch over time, and I already noticed, like, whenever I'm like looking in here for like coins or something, it stretches really nicely. This is only a few days old, so I'm very impressed. The other wallet that I had was getting kind of thick, and I didn't like it. It was also floral, which is definitely not me at all. So I'm happy that I got it. Again, I had the Yves Laurent, but since that popped off, I was using my mom's technically. So I do like this a lot. I recommend it. This is the next thing that I carry on me. It has one of these things that you can push and then just, and it just like comes off easily. This is a good thing, I guess, but in a way it's kind of a bad thing, because if you were just to like sit on a tight space, and this has happened to me before, it just like fell off and I didn't realize that, and I lost my pepper spray, so of course I had to go and buy a new one. And it's just like one of these things here where you just like push it and it comes off. So I think they made it to be easily accessible, but at the same time it's easily accessible and it can just like fall off at any point. So yeah, it's like a, I don't know. This here is my main source of protection for right now. I really do like it because this can get like anybody like from far away. And like I always have my boys, like I say, I always have my boys with me for the most part, and if somebody runs up on me, I can just spray this and pick my boys up like footballs. Okay, I'm small, but I can pick both of my boys up and run at the same time. And I make sure, like, this is a little side note, I make sure that I am still able to do that with my boys, which is kind of why I keep up with my physical activity. So that being said, I do have anxiety, so I am that person that's like, what if, what if, what if, what if? So I do carry this. I have used it before, but this is something good to just carry on your keychain. It's kind of compact. I know they have different kinds, and yeah, so this is what I carry at the moment. The next thing that is off of my keychain is this. It's also holding the old wallet, one of my old wallets, the one that I said has fallen off of my fucking wallet before. This is the ring with the cheap ass chain. I should have knew better, so I'm gonna take that off. But this here is a little macaroon. Isn't it super cute? Now I have this because, again, I have anxiety, and I'm not messing around when I say I have anxiety. So whenever I am just like very stressed, I just do this. It's one of those like squishies, so it's like very like soft or whatever. It used to be a lilac color, but since I'm always wearing black or dark blue jeans, it like kind of rubbed off on it, and it has this little piece missing because it's on my finger. Basically what happened is thing one accidentally broke this off today. I did see it kind of breaking already yesterday, and I was gonna put super glue, but I noticed it when I was out. I don't know why I didn't do it, but I put super glue to like kind of keep that little plastic piece in here, and so that I can make it back into a keychain. And when I was doing that, I guess my finger got stuck to it, and some did get onto my pants. So please let me know how to get it off of my leggings, pants, clothes, anything like that. I can't tell you how many freaking pairs of pants that I ruined because of that, or even blouses or shirts. So that makes me a little sad to see that. Maybe I'll color it in, maybe I won't. But I do really like it. Like if my mind is always racing, you know, that's one of the things with anxiety. My mind is always racing. Again, I'm the what if, what if, what if kind of person. If I'm thinking about like a meeting, I'm always thinking about what to say. So it's just like really good to like squeeze when you're driving, you know, like to calm you down. Or even if anytime, like anytime. When I was getting tattooed, I started squeezing this because I was getting a little anxious. So the next thing that I do have on here is hand sanitizer. I carry hand sanitizer because, girl, you need hand sanitizer in your fucking life. You need it on you at all times. My boys get sick constantly. So anything that I can do to help keep us germ free, I do. So let's say I need to put hand sanitizer on before I apply my minimal makeup. I will. Let's say I go to Ross and I'm using like one of those baskets and there's none of those desanitizer wipes like they have at H-E-B or Walmart. I will use this, put this on my hand, and slather it like everywhere because I'm not trying to get sick. I don't know who scratched their butt and then touched that shit. I don't know what's going on with that shit. You know what I mean? I just don't know. So no, thank you. So yeah, I use hand sanitizer. Sometimes you even touch something sticky and then you use this, or your boys' hands are sticky, there's no wipes around, hand sanitizer. And then the last thing that I carry with me are my actual keys. A lot of people use like clays or like the 6-ring key protector thingy. I don't. I just keep it like this. It's very small. You can put it in your bra, you can put it in your pocket, but I keep it on there. And I have I have a ring that I can carry it on, or I have a clip if I just want to take this for some reason and not take anything else, whatever the case may be. Sometimes like if I don't know, like Wes needs to take my car somewhere, he'll just take this. So yeah, that's kind of why I like this master lock hook thingy, because it just keeps everything and it's super durable. If you want to know where I got this, I actually got it from, or Wes got it for me from Napa, and Napa is like one of those, like, you know, supply thingies for mechanics or something like that. But I know that Office Depot has them, I think Staples even has them, and you might be able to find them at Walmart as well. So I recommend it. It's very durable, it's metal, and it's a little heavy, so that's how you know it's good. That is all that I carry with me. So yeah, and it just goes on here. All, guys, that I do carry with me right now. As you can see, it's very minimal. I don't carry a bag with me on a day-to-day basis just because I just don't feel like it. I like my hands to be free, and honestly, like, if I were to go to a store or something, it gives people less of a reason to think that I'm stealing. I just have that look on me for some reason, which I don't even understand why. I'm a manager in retail, so I mean, come on. I know when you think that I'm a shoplifter, but I'm not, I promise. So carrying this makes it life a breeze. Like, this is all I have to carry, and then I keep my phone and my knife in my pockets or on the sides of my leggings, and it's just very easy. My hands are free. I don't have to worry about anything. It's easy to run if I need to run. So yeah. Of course, with this, it would probably be easier if you were just to carry like a big old wristlet pouch or something, but meh, not really. Meh. To each their own, right? So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please let me know what are your essentials to carry. Maybe I'll switch some things out. What it is that you recommend for me to carry, and what you got from this video that you think that you will go ahead and start carrying as well, like hand sanitizer or a little squishy. So let me know down in the comments below. You guys know that I get back to you as fast as I can. Of course, if you have any recommendations as well, leave them down there. I will definitely get back to you as fast as I can and take those recommendations into consideration to go ahead and start filming soon. So yes, if you're subscribed, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed already, please do. And also, guys, click the little bell button so you can get notified of all of my videos here. I am going to be having a schedule soon, and thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me throughout this entire YouTube journey. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye.